Tired of bright screens straining your eyes? Switch to dark mode on Facebook Lite for a sleek, battery-friendly and eye-comforting experience. Here is how to turn it on in just a few simple steps. So hello guys, welcome back to our new video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the dark mode on Facebook Lite. So let's start the video. First of all, open the Facebook Lite app. Now you will be on the home page of your Facebook and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now tap on the vertical lines that is at the top right corner. Now you will see several settings over here like messages, groups, video. Just scroll down a little and you will see a settings and privacy option. Tap on it. And again you will see several settings over here like settings, order and payments, and you will see dark mode option, that is the third. Tap on it and the dark mode on your Facebook Lite will be enabled. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.